Hey there, I'm Patrick and I'd like to welcome you on behalf of my partner Sandra Kiss to this brand new training. Welcome to Facebook Targeting Mastery. So what is this training all about? This training is all about advanced Facebook targeting. This training is not about basic Facebook targeting, the basic stuff that you can read everywhere on the internet. What we will cover in this training are some truly advanced Facebook targeting strategies that will allow you to grow your business quickly and effectively. So we'll talk about lots of great stuff I'm really excited about because I really love Facebook targeting and Facebook marketing. We'll talk about how to reach out to your customers, how to reach out to your website visitors, how to reach out to something called lookalike audiences, how to reach out to your email list, how to reach out to your mobile app users. So there's lots of great stuff that's waiting for you in this training, and also we designed the course in a way that you can take action right away. So we will not just lecture on Facebook targeting, no. We'll tell you exactly what you have to do, what you can do, and what you should do. So let's get started. I'll see you in the next video where we will talk about custom audiences, what they are and how you can use them.